I don't have any orders for Rip It on Instagram right now after this one. All right, good luck, Remars. Place one, Alex. For Instagram or YouTube? Okay, you place one for Rip It on YouTube. I'll do it over here. GANA. Did you also place Rip It on YouTube order? It's a Spectre first offline and signature series Rip It on YouTube you placed. You want that done over here as well? Okay. I guess there's a 4-box queue now. Probably like 20 minutes now. All right, here we go, Remars. Good luck. Yeah, Alex, I said I was going to rip it over here. Aqua Prisma, Brendan Aronson. Refractor of Schmidt. Purple out of 299 is going to be Osterhag. Patrick Osterhag. Aqua Prism of Ibimbe. Refractor Demirovic. True Blue to 175. Rookie Amin Sarr. Titans Titanium Joakim Yale. Refractor is Skelly Alvaro. Rookie. Pulsar is going to be Omar Marmouche. Aqua Prism is going to be Jonas Wind. A Furyk Refractor. The auto is a Nelson Viper. Refractor auto Nelson Viper. Yeah, the Bundesliga Chrome design is really good, actually. I feel like it hasn't been great in years past, but it nailed it this year. Pulsar is Schuhen. Aqua Prism of Jens Stag. Green to 99 is Kevin Stoger. Gregor Kobel Refractor. Manu Kone Ultra Beam. 60th anniversary foil Tim Skarke out of 60. Ultra Beam Hugo Larson rookie. Aqua Wave Bubble to 275. Nice one. Rookie Alexander Pavlovich. Nice Pavlovich for you, Remars. And a rookie refractor of Faris Shaibi. And a Gruda base. All right, 60th anniversary pack now. Fabian Nürnberger, Brendan Aronson, Nathan Ngomu, and Danny Olmo. Thank you, Remars. We'll get these out to you.